Okay, so I was playing Eleanor, responded to a dispatch call. So I shot this guy, and he was up this ladder. And it turns out that when I killed him, he fell off the building. He didn't actually drop to the ground. He just decided to stay right there. Right there. He has not moved, and it's been a couple minutes already. So, I think that's pretty cool. I've tried to shoot him again, but I'm just not in the right place. So, I don't know. Maybe I can.
Help, you're covered.
Did he disappear?
Climb up and get him.
Nope, he's still there. Oh well. Off to kill the other guy.
He's stuck.
He says bye, so he's waving.